Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us today with the announcements of our Easter giveaway. The first place winner will be winning a beautiful weekend away in one of our apartments in and around Cape Town. The second place winner will be winning a free night when they book for 4. And the third place winners will be up to 10 people that win 500 Rand off their next stay with us. Congratulations POV Life. You are our first place winner for the weekend away in and around Cape Town. Congratulations Tanya, mom of 2. You are a second place winner for our Easter giveaway. And congratulations to these 10 viewers that won our third prize. I'd like to thank every single viewer who participated in this Easter giveaway. Be sure to be on the lookout for our next one. Bye for now.